Have you ever wondered why snakes constantly flick their tongues out? Is it a threat, a taunt, or something else entirely? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of snake senses. So let's get one common misconception out of the way right now. That's right, they smell with their tongues. It's a bit like you sticking your nose out to catch a whiff of a nearby barbecue, but for snakes, their tongue is the nose. How does this work? It's a process called chemoreception, which is just a fancy word for detecting chemicals. It's collecting tiny chemical particles from the air, the ground, and anything it touches. These particles are the scent molecules left behind by other animals, potential prey, a possible mate, or even a predator. The snake is essentially gathering data about its environment, one flick at a time. Now, you might have noticed that a snake's tongue is forked. This isn't just for looks. It's a crucial part of this incredible sensory system. That split tongue gives the snake a sense of direction. Think of it like stereo sound. Your two ears help you pinpoint where a sound is coming from. If it's louder in your right ear, you know the source is to your right. The snake's forked tongue does the exact same thing, but with smells. When the snake retracts its tongue, each fork tip has collected its own set of scent particles. It then presses these tips into a special organ on the roof of its mouth called the Jacobson S organ, or the vomeronasal organ. This organ is a pair of pits lined with sensitive chemical receptors, and it's directly connected to the snake's brain. Here's where the magic happens. The brain analyzes the information from each fork. If the left fork has a stronger signal, the prey is to the left. This gives the snake an incredibly precise three-dimensional scent map of its surroundings. It can follow a scent trail with astonishing accuracy, knowing not just that prey is nearby, but exactly which way to go to find it. This system is so sophisticated that some snakes can even detect the faint chemical trails left by prey that passed by hours earlier. It's like having a built-in tracking device. It's the difference between finding a meal and going hungry. A snake in a new environment will flick its tongue rapidly, gathering as much information as it can. It's checking for danger, searching for water, and looking for potential partners. A water snake will flick its tongue above and below the water's surface, collecting scents from both the air and the water to locate fish or frogs. Some venomous snakes, like vipers, have a strike and release strategy. So, how does the snake find its meal? You guessed it uses its tongue. It flicks its tongue out, picks up the unique scent trail of the envenomated animal, and follows it right to its location. It's also a vital tool for social interaction. Snakes can identify other snakes of the same species, determine if they're male or female, and even gauge their reproductive readiness, all based on the chemical cues they pick up with their tongues. So, let's debunk another myth. When a snake is flicking its tongue towards you, it's not being aggressive. It's being curious. It's trying to figure out what you are. You're a big, warm, strange-smelling object in its environment, and it's simply gathering data. Since you're definitely not food and you're much bigger than it, it's mostly just trying to assess if it needs to be scared. This entire system is a beautiful example of evolution.